Hello everybody and welcome to my ChopChopChef channel. Yeah, and I think today it's more than overdue. I like to say to all of you out there who are watching me every week, thank you so much for supporting my YouTube channel. And one more thing, if you have a friend who hasn't subscribed to the channel yet, please convince him. It's a good thing to have, right? Today I like to do with you my superfood cracker. Now superfood cracker you can use for a bar snack, for a TV food, anything you really sort of think it's appropriate. For our superfood cracker today I have the ingredients here which I like to show you. It's sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, chia seeds, psyllium husk, and then the spices and the flavors, what you like to add is completely up to you. But today I roughly chopped cumin seeds. I put a little bit sumac spice in there, and ginger powder, and a tiny hint of chili powder or cayenne powder. Yeah, and so today we're starting off obviously just simple water. We're putting water in a bowl, easy done. That's that. Taking a pastry spoon and more or less you're putting everything in this bowl. Yeah, sesame seeds, sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, and then goes the chia seeds, you know, so like the chia seed and this psyllium husk, you will be surprised, they obviously will absorb all the water. Yeah, so at the moment when you look at it, say, gee, is this very liquidy, what that will be. But we let this whole mixture, we let it rest for 15 minutes. But I mean, I'm putting the spices in as well. So as I said, I put cumin seeds in and just roughly chopped. I didn't put cumin powder in there because I want to have a little bit of the bite in it. The sumac spice, ground ginger, and the cayenne. And last but not least, a little bit of salt. But please be mindful, don't put too much salt in there, because you will taste every kernel in this mixture. Okay, have a look at this one. Yeah. Now it's just a gluey kind of thing. Yeah. As I said, we let this one rest for 15 minutes. Yeah. Let this chia seed and a psyllium husk does their thing, and then we regroup. See you shortly. So 15 minutes are elapsed and let's have a look at our superfood cracker mixture. Now have a look, I mean, how the consistency is of this, you know. It is really now even more gluier than it was before. Yeah? All the water is completely absorbed from the chia seed and the psyllium husk. And what we're doing now is, we're spreading this mixture on baking paper. Yeah, so we put it all out here. Yeah, look at that. Perfect. Okay, now what we want to achieve is to spread it out as thinly as possible. Right? Now there's a few options what you can use. I have usually what I call it pastry horn. Yeah, so we start getting a little bit of a, okay, now here it comes. You can use a little bit water, yeah, so then it smoothens out better, yeah, just a tiny bit. Or another version is, you're taking another piece of baking paper, like this, like that, and then let's start giving it a little bit of a, yeah, so you press this one on here, yeah, have a look, very good, yeah, that's the start off. but we want to continue a little bit more. You can use your palm, your hand, yeah. And don't worry, it don't have to be a square, it don't have to be a round, because later on we will crack it in odd shapes to have our cracker, right? Obviously, what you want to do is you want to make sure, hopefully you can achieve the thickness quite evenly. You can't have it on that side that thick and here so thin, right? So this is obviously in the feeling when you're going over it like I do now with my hand or with my pastry horn, whatever you desire. And then again, the next step is this one will go in the oven for around 60 to 70 minutes, believe it or not, but only at a very low temperature of 160 degrees. Yeah. And this one obviously is based again on the thickness what I have here. So okay, I think we are right there where we want to be. I see if I can somehow show you the thickness of my flour. Have a look at this one here. So you see this one? Oops! Now my thing broke. This is okay. One more time. Sort of, yeah. It's very thin. Yeah. More or less as maybe you can say as thick as your sunflower seeds on here. Yeah. So that is nice and even, beautiful. So as I said, we're putting this one in the oven, 160 degrees for 1 hour, and then it should be all nicely and dry, and we continue. Okay, our superfood crackers, they are now in our oven. Remember I said 160 degrees, and I have it now, it's just 70 minutes, right? So, and it looks to me they are ready. Just cameraman, be mindful of the steam and everything else. Okay, but we double check this one obviously. Yeah, let's pull this one out. So as you can see, you see all our seeds, beautiful sesame seeds, sunflower seeds, chia seeds. Yeah. Now we want to see that it is obviously completely dried up and baked. Yeah. So we have a look underneath. Yeah. Now it's still a little bit moist. So I will give this another 10 minutes, and then in 10 minutes I take it out, let it cool down, and then I show you more. Alright, just let's put it back in for 10 minutes. Here we go, our superfood cracker was actually in the oven by 160 degrees for 75 minutes. So you can see it sort of now is nicely dry and baked, yeah. And all what you do now, it's you just, oh, you hear that, beautiful, you know. You break it off, yeah, and then you present it as you want it, yeah. Just like this on a platter, beautifully, and there you can serve a little bit of dip if you want to, or you just eat it like that, you know. Beautiful. And that's my superfood cracker for you today to enjoy.